Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to find your Facebook Business Manager ID. So let's go to the Facebook Business first. Log into your Facebook Business, then you have to click on this three dash icon. Click on this three dash, and you'll find here Business Settings. Click on Business Settings. Now scroll down, and you will find here Business Info. This one, Business Info. Click on Business Info, and then you can see the business manager IDs here. Okay, so this is so simple guys, you can do this within 1 minute. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.